Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I want to talk about slicing because I got a lot of comments that you want to showcase the filtered part of your data set. So that's what slicing is when it comes to AppSheet. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the slicing. I'll quickly move my camera a little on the corner side. Okay. I hope it's now visible to you. So for slicing, as we can see that you can go into your, let's say, data where you're storing things, and let's say you want to showcase the salary thing, that you want to identify people whose salary range is above 100,000. So in this case, you go here under slices. If you remember last time we created the dashboard where you have audits and salary section. So right now we are creating slice. Here you have your tables, here you have your columns, and here the slice is going to get created. First thing it's going to ask for is which tab you want to select on your Google Sheet. So data, because this is where you're storing the employee details. Now you have to write a formula here. So this is a formula. Employee salary, this is what you're selecting, greater than 100,000, and then you click save, because the data table is data, and it's already picking up the column name. The column name is M salary, and that's why I put M salary greater than 100,000. So I'll keep it read only, and I'll hit save. Okay. Now if you go here, you will see that, let me refresh this. Okay. The slice is created, but the view is not there. So once the slice is created in the data section, now you will see in the UX, create a view, salary, and then you select here in the, for this data you are going to select the new slice that you created. So for some time, let's go back, rename our slice first of all, salary. Okay, hit save. You go in the UX, high salary. This is your view, high salary, and as always, salary is the slice that you have selected. Now you can hit save. You see over here that it's showing in cards. If you want to change the look, you can select tables and it will show you the tabular format. So this is what the view type is for. Once again, if I hit save, it will show you the tabular format. I go over here. So one view you have is the entire dashboard, and you have another view that's only showing you the tabular format. If you want to get this onto the main dashboard, and by the way, the name of the dashboard is QA view. What you are going to do, you see QA view, and these are the primary views. So this is the dashboard type, if you see over here, and this is the table type. So you'll come back in the position section, you'll select referential, REF, and then you'll hit save. Once you hit save, you will see that, wait a second, okay, so in the primary view section there is nothing now. This data salary table got moved, high salary table got moved below. Let's check our app now. Can we still see it on the dashboard? No, because we have created the table, but we have not connected it to the dashboard. So what we are going to do is go into the behavior section, create a new behavior. High salary associates. Okay. We are selecting the dashboard image here because that's the name where we're getting connected to the dashboard. And go to another view within this app. Now you go to the UX. What you need is you go to the behavior, you copy this thing, link to view. And then you hit save. If you want to display, let's say something like this, like dollar or something, up to you. And hit save. Go on here, click the QA view, and you will see the high salary associates here. Once you click on it, the names will start to show that these are the certain people who are getting more than $100,000 in salary. So this is where you control your icon type and everything, like how much people are getting paid and what kind of work they are doing. So certainly more of a employee related thing that I have created here, view, in terms of view. So doesn't matter whatever app you are creating, always remember that first your data should be connected. Then in the slices section, you can go put any kind of logical formula that whatever you want to slice and dice. So it's basically a filtration system from an entire data set so that you can show only a specific chunk of data that you wanted to show to people or you wanted to observe. So it's basically chunking of data or filtration of data that you can extract, put it into a view when you come to the UX section, just like we did, like creating a high salary, and we click, instead of creating a data table, we selected the slice here and then connect it over here to the behavior section like we did for going to the another app. So three things are very important when you're slicing: connecting the data and creating the slice, then creating an entire new view, and then third thing is getting connected to the behavior section so you can get onto your dashboard. This is all about slicing and putting your new view onto the dashboard. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. It helps me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.